Hi all. Today we have the Budan X1 fully automatic coffee machine set up right here. Let's first take a look what you get when you order this machine, and then I'll show you how you can make a beverage of your choice using this machine. Inside the box, you'll find the Budan X1, a removable water tank, a milk frothing attachment, a drip tray, and a user manual. Make sure all components are clean and properly placed before you use. Coming to the initial setup of this machine, make sure you place the machine on a flat surface near a power outlet. Remove the water tank. Make sure you properly rinse it and then fill it up with fresh cold water. Then fill the beans of your choice in the bean hopper and turn on the machine using the power button. Once we turn on the machine runs an automatic cleaning cycle and preheats for your coffee. Once the machine is ready to brew and heated up, it would start showing beverage options. The machine primarily has 6 beverage options: espresso, americano, long coffee, cappuccino, latte, and ole coffee. However, you can make infinite different beverages using an espresso. The machine also allows you to dispense hot water and frothed milk separately. You can customize all your beverages from the temperature of your coffee to the strength of your espresso to the quantity and froth level of your milk using the menu. Coming to brewing coffee with this machine is really easy and simple. Today I'm going to be making a cappuccino, and to do that I take out the milk container first. Fill it up with fresh cold milk. Slide it back in. Take a cup, put it right underneath, and just press on a cappuccino. And with just one touch, you'll have a creamy cafe-like cappuccino ready at home. Convenient and consistent every single time. Coming to cleaning and maintenance. To keep the Budan X1 performing at its best, empty and rinse the drip tray regularly. Clean the milk frothing attachment after each use to avoid buildup. Run the automatic cleaning cycle from the menu as recommended. Wipe the exterior with a damp cloth and clean the water tank weekly. A few tips and tricks. Use fresh coffee beans for best aroma and flavor. Experiment with strength and cup size settings to find your ideal drink profile. That's how you can set up, use, and maintain the Budan X1. A convenient bean to cup solution for everyday coffee at home or in the office.